Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Working on the 2012 Kia Optima Hybrid again. The guy I'm doing this for, he's having a problem with going over manholes and just little bumps in the road. He can hear a clunking noise coming from the front end. And recently, about a few months ago, I did put some new struts on this car. But now he's getting a clunking noise coming from the front end. So I believe his sway bar links are going bad. So I'm gonna do a quick video on how to replace the front sway bar links. So I'm going to start over here on the front driver side. I'm just going to grab my jack. I'm going to jack up right on the pinch weld here. I'm going to go ahead and grab a 21 millimeter and let's remove the tire and wheel. Alright, so this is going to be our sway bar link right here. And we're going to need to remove a 19 millimeter nut here on the back side. And then up top on your strut here, you got another 19 millimeter we need to remove. So let's go ahead and get those off. Alright, so what you want to do now is grab your jack. We're going to jack up right underneath the lower ball joint here. We'll raise it up the control arm, and that'll take the pressure off the sway bar link, so we should be able to just pull it out. Once the pressure's off, just go ahead and pull it off. Same with your top one. Just like that. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is the old one I just pulled off. You can see the boot's torn on it, and it's just all rusted out in there, and you can totally tell it's worn out. Same with the other side there, just a ton of play in it. So I went to Advanced Auto Parts, picked up these new sway bar links. There's the part numbers. This bottom one's going to be your passenger side, and then this one's going to be your driver. These are about 25 bucks a piece. You can get them on Amazon for probably cheaper, which I'll put a link in the description on. But as you can see, these ones are sealed units as well. They don't have the grease zerks on them, but you just pop off these blue things they got on here to protect it. And you can see it's really hard to even move these. There it goes. So go ahead and stick that on, and then just make sure you can see they're both the same length. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so let's go ahead and put the new one in. And then you can see right here, you got a spot for a Allen head there in case this starts turning as you're putting the nut on. And that's going to be a 5 millimeter Allen head. All right, guys, so if that one starts turning on you, what you can do is go ahead and lower your jack here on the lower ball joint, and that'll put pressure on that to kind of hold that, and then we go ahead and tighten it the rest of the way and torque it down. Once you get that snug, go ahead and grab your torque wrench, and you're going to want to torque that to 80 foot-pounds. And then same thing on your lower one, 80 foot-pounds. Then go ahead and grab your wheel and tire and put that back on. And then go ahead and grab your torque wrench. We'll torque the wheel lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do the passenger side over there really quick. I'm not going to record that because it should be the same exact procedures. If it's different, I'll let you know here at the end of the video. All right, guys, so I just finished up here on the passenger side. It's exactly the same as the driver's side, same procedure on removing the old sway bar link. And as you can see, just like the driver's side, this side the boot was torn and it's all rusted out in there. And then there's a bunch of play on the bottom side there. So that's going to do it for the video. Again, this was a 2012 Kia Optima hybrid. Went ahead and replaced both front sway bar links. And this procedure should also work on the Hyundai Sonata, I believe. And if you haven't already, check out some of my other videos. I got quite a few on this car alone. And subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.